or kettlebell goblet, anything goblet. Split stance hip airplanes is a challenging exercise. I'll show you from the side. We're going to start in split stance position. I want both of my feet and my knees facing forward. The key here is when I'm rotating out of my front hip is to keep that front foot stationed, that front knee from moving, so caving in, right? So I'm in this position. I'll show you from the side. Goblet here, keep it tight. Opening up, my back foot and my heel never touches the ground. I'm driving my knee out and then all the way back in. And then from the side, or from the front,